What's up, legends? Imagine flipping $500 into $4,000 in just 6 minutes using a legal AI trading loophole that pros don't talk about. Sounds wild? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Live step by step, let's go. We are using something called the binary builds compounding trick. It's AI enhanced, emotion proof, and laser focused on high conviction binary trades with 99% precision. This isn't just luck, it's calculated leverage. Alright, first trade, dropping $500 into a momentum based setup. The AI caught a clean reversal signal. Watch this. Boom, just like that. Let's move fast because compounding is the name of the game. Instead of cashing out, we reinvest with profits immediately. That's how turning into $1,000 plus and then $1,650 become $4,000 within the minutes. This is how compounding with AI gives you sky-high returns without gambling. Trade 3 is in. AI spotted diversions and confirmed volume pressure. Another green setup. Let's see. And yes, we are climbing fast. Just crossed $3,000 plus. You are watching AI do human what can. Here's the signs. Real-time trend detection, total indicator check detection. Instant execution, no hesitation. Zero emotion, just logic. This final trade is the power move. Bot calculated trend continuation, and we are locked in, and boom again. That's a final balance of $4,000 plus from just $500 in 6 minutes. Want this bot? Want this system? Hit the link below and grab your free trial session before we shut access. No risk, just results. Like if it blew your mind. Comment AI if you want a setup guide. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping strategies.